This is the BenQ TK705i, a 4K home entertainment projector designed to turn your wall into a massive cinematic screen. It's built for movies, streaming, and gaming. But the real question is, can this actually replace your TV? Inside the box, everything is kept simple. You get the projector itself, the remote, and the power cable. On the back of the projector, you've got all the ports that you need. You get two HDMI 2.1 ports with one supporting eARC, so you can connect it directly to a soundbar or a speaker system and still get high quality audio like Dolby Atmos. There's also a USB-C port with up to 30 watts of power delivery, which means you can plug in devices like a laptop or Nintendo Switch and power them at the same time. On top of that, you've got a USB-A for media or accessories, audio out, and even a 12-watt trigger if you're integrating it into a more advanced setup. So realistically, this can act as the main hub for your entire entertainment setup. You're getting true 4K UHD resolution, so everything looks sharp and detailed, even on a massive screen. Plus HDR10 Plus and HLG support, you get even better contrast with more detail in both bright and dark scenes. And with 3000 ANSI lumens, it stays bright and clear even with lights on during the day, so you're not limited to a dark room. This is where the experience completely changes. Instead of watching a standard TV, you're now looking at a 100 to 150 inch screen, which instantly makes everything feel more immersive. And with the TK705i, you can get a 100-inch image from around 2.2 meters away, so it works comfortably in a normal living room without needing a huge space. It's that jump that really makes a big difference. What makes this projector stand out is how easy it is to actually set it up. It uses what BenQ calls an 8-way smart image adaptation system, which includes autofocus, auto 2D keystone correction, auto screen fit, and even an obstacle avoidance. So instead of manually adjusting everything, the projector automatically aligns and sharpens the image for you. And if you still want to make any manual tweaks, you can go into the setting and adjust those yourself as well. It also has an auto cinema mode, which adjusts the brightness and colors based on your wall and ambient lighting, so the image always looks natural. This is one of those features you don't realize you needed until you use it. There's also a motorized optical zoom, which allows you to adjust the image size without physically moving the projector itself. And because it's optical zoom, you're not losing any image quality and it still stays true 4K entire time. So it gives you a lot of flexibility when you're placing it in your room. When it comes to operating system, it has Google TV built in with official Netflix support, so you don't need to connect any external streaming devices. You get access to thousands of apps, plus built-in Chromecast and AirPlay for easy casting from your mobile phone. And if you're like me and you tend to lose your smart remote all the time, well, they do have this thing called BenQ Smart Remote app, which lets you control everything directly from your phone, from launching apps, adjusting settings, even fine-tuning the image. So even if you lose your remote, you always can use the projector itself. For gaming, you get ultra low input lag at around 5 milliseconds, so everything feels fast and responsive. And with the addition of HDMI 2.1, it works perfectly with modern consoles. And this next feature is for the sports lovers. With things like baseball season starting, major football tournaments coming up, or even something like F1 where everything is moving fast, this is where MEMC really makes a difference. On a screen this big, fast motion can sometimes look a little bit blurry or hard to track. MEMC fixes that by adding extra frames in between each frame, making motion look smoother and easier to follow. So whether it's a ball flying across the screen or cars moving fast at high speed, everything looks a lot clearer. Now, some people might not like it and it can give sometimes that soap opera effect where things look a little bit too smooth. But the good thing is, if you don't like it, you can always turn it off. Overall, the BenQ TK705i is designed to be a complete all-in-one home entertainment setup. You're getting a massive screen, strong picture quality, smart features, and easy setup all in one device. And if you've been hesitant to buy a projector, well, this is a solid option. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions and whether you actually would replace your TV with a projector. And until the next one, ciao.